Hey guys. Just trying to get me a nice little thumbnail. Hold up. There we go. Guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't worry, these are our displays. We test everything that we put in the box, so we always have like extras to play around with. But yeah, guys, if you want to see what's in the September Glitz Glam box, keep watching and subscribe, okay? Subscribe. I see you guys looking. You're watching videos but not subscribing. I mean, we won't name names, but I know who you guys are, okay? I'm just kidding. So yeah, guys, I always forget to tell people who are new to my channel that I'm Chanelle. I'm the creator of the Glitz Glam box, okay? So I'm the boss, but I also have a YouTube channel. I also love makeup. I also do tutorials, and I used to do reviews and unboxings of all the beauty boxes in the land. But now I just unbox my own box. I do still get other beauty boxes though, but yeah, I only unbox my own box now, because, you know, I'm the boss. And yeah, so guys, I created this look. I'm gonna post the tutorial, of course. I do a tutorial like almost every single month. So I did this look with the palettes that we're featuring in the box. These are the lashes that we feature in the box. This is the lippy that we feature in the box. Nice little nude for y'all. Some of the people like, I don't like red, I don't like bold color, I want a nude. We're giving y'all a nude this month, okay? Everyone's getting a nude. Yay! I happen to like strange colors, and it's even better if you like, you know, don't go to the store and spend like $22 on it. You just get it in your box, and then you can wear it every once in a while when you want to be a little bit like, hey, what's your name? Blah, 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 blah. Speaking of which, let's swatch this. This is the unreleased lippy from Glamlite called Bon Appetit. Oh, Bon Appetit. It comes in a gold box, and it's like, I mean, you guys know. You know how I feel about gold, so clearly we needed it for the box. It has the gold lid, which I'm like, yes. It has the mirror, so you can just like, hey, what's up? You know, guys, you know it's hot in here. The lights, really. I haven't swatched stuff in forever. I've been like doing my unboxings and not swatching stuff, so probably because I usually do them when I'm tired. So it comes out this shade, but it dries this shade, so it's gonna dry down a lot darker. If that's too bright for you, you can always use a lip liner to tone it down. So yeah, this is the lippy. Next thing is the Achi lashes, which I am wearing. I'm wearing the more dramatic of the styles that we're featuring this month. Here's another style. We met them at the Indie Beauty Expo, and they were so sweet. And the pink, I was just like, girl, we need to get you in the box, okay? So yeah, we met them at the Indie Beauty Expo, and the website is called House of Achi, so I think that's just so cute. So yeah, so we are featuring a pair of these in the box, and of course they are faux, so you know, we're not using mink over here. And next thing is, you guys have been asking, we're bringing you another Glitz Glitter pod this month, of course in a different shade. For the green palette, we have golds and greens and silvers, and for the red palette, we have like pinks and reds and purples. So depending which palette you got will depend on the glitter you get. But yeah, it's our cosmetic super fine glitter Glitz Glitter pod. This one is in gold, so yeah, it's cosmetic glitter. You can use it for your face, body, lips. Yes, and it's skin safe. And what you guys clicked for, The palettes! Yay! Okay, so here's the tea on the palettes. So I couldn't pick one. I wanted them both. And then I was like, well, I think I know which subscriber would like, because I know, you know, a lot of the subscribers like leave comments and stuff like, oh, I like this one, I like that one, and then I can kind of figure out which person they are. But I was like, we don't have time for that. We have way too many subscribers now. So we decided to offer an option for double the glam. So you can actually get both variations if, you know, if you'd like. I mean, I would personally want double the glam because, like, hello, these are so cute. They're $22 each on Glamlite's site. So yeah, you're clearly getting a deal if you get the Glitz Glam box. So yeah. So the first one, the one that I used the most colors out of is this Meat Lovers palette. And then let's open it up. Let's open it up. Yay! And you can see it has like the meat here, and I'm a meat lover, but I like veggies too, so like, I don't know. But these colors, oh my, I did use this for this look, so yeah, so let's get all of them in the frame here, and let's just take a closer look. Like, can we like, I just can't. Like, look at this. Like, look at bacon. Oh my god. This is bacon here. Like, the shimmers just blew my mind. And this is the ham. They just, like, blew my mind. I just was like, I have a lot of makeup. I mean, clearly you can see I have makeup. I get makeup every single month. I have never felt such a buttery, you know, shimmers. Like, I did use my fingers a lot for this look, for the shimmers, just because they feel like almost wet. They feel like very moist, and very just buttery, like just like butter. The mattes blended like, I literally hardly even had to move my brush. You guys need to watch the tutorial of this look. Like, I literally did nothing. I just put my, like, put the makeup on the brush and put it on your face, and it's gonna look cute. Like, I hardly blended anything. This took me like, I want to say 15 minutes, and that's only because I blab a lot. Like, I'm like blah 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 blah. Okay, so here's the Veggie Lovers palette, pizza palette, and guys, I know in June. Let me tell you about June. Okay, June, we have the 4 different X and O palettes. And I thought everyone was gonna like the romance one, like the romantic one with the pinks and whatever. People were wanting the green. And I was like, I could not believe so many people wanted green. I was like, yes, we don't do basic. The Glitz Glam fam wants the green. Yes. So that's why I was like, I need the green one. But I'm like, we need the other one too. Like, we need both of them. So Glamlite let us feature both of them. So that was super sweet of them. So here's the green palette. Like, come on. Come on, neon. Come on, mustard. Come on. And the black. Y'all know I use the black already. I was like, I have to use the black in my corner because, like, I just have to. I just have to. And this basil, like, hello. I'm just like, yes. This olive, like, come on. All over the lid. Olive all over the lid, like. And I mean, the shimmers, like. I mean, I have no words for these shimmers. I have no words for these shimmers. Guys, we, did I tell you about the Glitz Glitter Pod? I think I did. We're having Glitz Glitter Pods too. Guys, that's it. That's everything that's in the box. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know if you got double the glam. Let me know which variation you got. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. Did you like Glamlite? Should we feature them again? Do you like anything else on their site? You know I wanted that paint palette, but you know, I mean, they did. the palettes wouldn't even fit in our Glitz Glam box. Like, I had to get pouches made because they were so huge. The palettes are like, they're really huge, but they're really, I mean, just amazing quality. Like, I'm not even just saying that. I have so much makeup. Trust me. They're really, like, really great quality. I have not felt shimmers that smooth, no fallout. They're super buttery. I don't know what kind of liquid formula. It feels like liquid, but it's not liquid, but it feels like liquid. So yeah, I really like the lippy. Of course, you know, I love the glitter pods. Yeah, guys, let me know which variation you got. Did we like double the glam? That's what I wanted to know. Did we like double the glam? You guys let me know in the comments down below, like, do you like receiving both of the palettes as an option, or would you just want to be surprised and see, you know, like which variation you get, and then add on the palette for the next month if we have extras? Because if you guys like double the glam, I'll start ordering a couple more, you know, in quantity, and then we can offer it a little bit more. But, you know, let me know what y'all think. Let me know. You guys let me know, because, you know, I'm the boss, so bring all your concerns to me. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, okay? Now, enough is enough with these people watching and not subscribing, okay? That's enough. So you guys need to, there's a button, press it. It says subscribe, press it, okay? I'm going to leave in the description box down below. You can still subscribe. We're not sold out yet, but we will be very shortly. Till the next video, guys. Bye.